So many of you have been hearing about Aurora, which is built on NEAR, and it is a EVM compatible chain built on NEAR, meaning it works with MetaMask. And dApps can easily transfer between Ethereum and all the other EVM chains, so it makes it super easy for developers to get in and for you and me to mine and farm these. So let me show you why this is pumping right now. Well, first just look at the price action in the last 7 days. This is NEAR. This is up to 18. You know, maybe a great buy point would be 13, but that's no longer the case. So it's really pumping now. NEAR is not Aurora, but it is kind of like the parent chain. You know, it's like the Kusama Aurora to Polkadot. So this is like the Polkadot NEAR. Anyways, this is just absolutely pumping. Let me just show you what 7 days looks like. Yeah, it was at a crispy 20, and then it pumped up to 26. So yeah, there's been hype on this project for some time. Even over, you know, it's great if you got it at 10 bucks, but then it just really went wild. So let's look at Aurora. And actually what I've done, and you can do too. Ooh, look at, this is all the total locked value in all of DeFi, or the main, I think it's like 50 or 80, maybe 90 chains. And you see the total locked value just eating into the Ethereum dominance. And right now, number 19 down here is Aurora. So we're going to click on that. And this shows you that they have about 678 million total locked. But we want to get into how you guys are going to make some money with this. We're seeing the coins pumping. And if you're thinking about buying it, I'm not a TA type of guy, technical analysis, but I'm seeing the Aurora coin, because I'm seeing some good farming opportunities with it, is it's almost overbought. You know, if you look at the RSI 14, there is a purchase indicator to probably buy more right here, but it's just a little overbought. A bunch of VCs are in it, so you know, no one's taking profit. So there'll be a time that happens. Wait for the run up to happen. It'll drop down. So whatever you want to do. Not financial advice. This is just me talking about some things that I like to spend a lot of my time on. All right, so let's get into the first of the projects. We're gonna what I do is I open all these projects, click through. If they're not opening or junk, I get rid of them. So let's just go there. There's like 12 projects. So Trisolaris is the big dog. This is the coin that's also pumping quite a lot. So let's see if we can just get that coin right here. Trisolaris. Anyways, let's just say we see it, but the coin has gone up tremendously. Maybe it'll be over here. Let's check. Triso. Trisol. Air. Solar. Okay. It's not here either. Anyways, hard coin to track, but it has been going up and up. You can actually probably see here where the coin price is. Oh, it was just at $2 the other day. Deck screener. So what some smart people are doing is they got in down here at $1.50 and are farming this coin off. Granted, it's going to take a while to farm a lot of it, but it's been going up and down and up and down. It's been way up here, so maybe this is a great entrance point, 150. But let's get into this. So there are some good farming opportunities. I love looking at farming opportunities. Where can you make some money? So let's go to stake. This is just staking your try, and you're making something that's taking far too long to load. All right, let's go to farm. Okay, so this is what people are getting into. You're seeing about 288% with Trident or Trisolaris in Aurora. That's pretty cool. Trisolaris in UST, 279%. So you think that looks good. And let me just give you a little secret trick I just found out by going through all of these. I'm gonna find it. Okay, so if you go to Pickle Finance, kind of like Beefy or Auto Farm, but we're getting their auto compounding for the APY at an amazing 1,093% APY, which is pretty cool. And they're also, by farming through Pickle, you're not only getting the Trident at 248, but you're also getting a little pickle on top. Sounds funny. But yeah, it's true. So think about Pickle if you're trying to get in any of these farms to auto compound. So yeah, we're seeing some 87s. Is there any like stablecoin staking where you can make this relatively desirable coin? Let's see. I'm not seeing any stable staking opportunities. Sorry, right here. So yeah, USDC, USDT. So a very safe way to start throwing some money at this and seeing if it goes up. I mean, 159 million in this. That's pretty amazing. So not a bad way to make some money, and you know, you're getting a little bit more than Terra Luna. So interesting. Probably not a high enough. You know, I'm interested at about 30% or more. Okay, so let's go to this farm. This is their second big swap, and just to show you, WannaSwap, 84 million. Nothing to, you know, shake a stick at. That's relatively very good. So let's see this. I mean, I don't really mess with, you know, this is the secondary coin to Trisolaris. We're seeing NEAR in UST. Okay, 100%. That's pretty good. NEAR, so you know, NEAR in stable coins is 100%. So that's always good. I'm sure these will go down eventually. Anything else stable on stable? Yes, 17. So it doesn't beat the last one. Here is another one. Let's go over to farming Rose. And Rose is another protocol, and you're getting on stables. Frax pool 22%. Any other farms? This is a lot more coming. I think this is going to be mostly a stable pool. I don't entirely get what Rose does, but this is the launch pad, so not much to do here in terms of DEX. Launchpad, DEX. You'll be able to swap here. There's a bridge, stake, farm. Okay, there's some farming opportunities here. So it's their coin, which you have to buy, which I'm not always keen on buying these coins. Okay, NEAR and Frax at 116. Okay, there's a couple things. Okay, 17% for the stable pair. All right, this is interesting. This is another decentralized trading protocol for Web3, probably like a yield aggregator, like Pickle. But we're going down here, and we are seeing 23% for the stable pair, and nothing good here. Pickle might be where it's at if you're looking at some of these pairs, because they're pretty much the big dog auto compounder of Aurora right now, and it's kind of hard to see. You know, you got to look at Aurora NEAR. You got to look at this little logo. So just dig in there. And there's no way to sort by APR, but yeah, look, 25% over here with the stablecoin pair at the whatever swap this is called, the W swap. So I would like the Trisolaris because I'm a little more, okay, 24.5. So this is where I might put the Trisolaris stablecoin pair right here, because you'll also earn a little Pickle. So we go here. I'm not going to actually do it right now. Aurora, what do we got in Aurora? This looks like another auto compounder. It looks like a beefy identical fork. So we're going to default by APY. I mean, all these are going to be doing pretty much the exact same, but also giving you a little benefit of paying out their coin. So this is paying out 1/3. Okay, so they're doing a little more. So maybe either this is wrong, I haven't done the math on this, or they're giving out a little bit of their coin as a way to incentivize you to stay with them. So let's see that stablecoin pair. Okay, you're getting 27%, and the Vault APR is 23.5. All right. So the goal of this is showing you this is a chain that is pumping, and as more and more liquidity gets into things, it's a great time to be farming. And these are all new exchanges that have just had money flow into them in the last 2 weeks. Necc, don't exactly understand what this one does, but looks like it's still being built. Bond, stake, exit. Let me check that. Don't really have any idea what this one does. NECC, if anyone knows, tell me. It's not really working for me. Maybe I should just connect my wallet, which I'm not going to do right now. And then the nuts, which let me just show you right here, is at the bottom. It has 356,000, which is a little sketch. But it looks like a custom build. It doesn't look like a fork. And they're doing these covered calls. I'd be a little careful on this one, but it's something to look into. A lot to read. They're doing something innovative. Anyway, so what I'm getting at is Aurora is pumping. And this might be a great time to look into some of these swaps. I'm not seeing any, so many different things that has it been audited? Has it run through a CertTech? Not for many of these different possibilities. This is the bridge. But could be a huge opportunity to farm some of these things, even to get some of these top 1 or 2. I just go for the top 1, get their native token, Trisolaris, and just stack that. And sell it off as it keeps pumping up. But you might have a number of weeks before that really hits its peak. So if you're in for the short-term game and you have a lot of money, throw some stables at it. But anyways, not financial advice. If you want some more passive income videos on how to make some steady passive income in crypto, subscribe to the channel. At least consider that. And if you have any questions, shoot them in the comment. Hit me up at CryptoCashCamp@twitter.com. And I will talk to you guys soon. Ciao.